Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your Google Workspace for branding in Gmail, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize your Google Workspace for branding in Gmail, start by logging into your Google admin console. Use your administrator account for logging in. Once logged in, navigate to the Apps section from the main dashboard. Select Google Workspace from the list of apps. Now click on Settings for Gmail. Scroll down to find the branding section. Here, click on Authorize Domain. You will need to provide your domain name to proceed. Enter your domain and click Next. Google will then generate a TXT record for you. Access your domain host's website to add this TXT record. Log in to your domain hosting account. Navigate to the DNS settings for your domain. Add the TXT record provided by Google. Save the changes in your domain settings. Return to the Google admin console. Click Verify to check if the TXT record has been properly set. If verified, you will see a confirmation message. Now, you need to set up your email sending domain. In the branding section, click on Add a brand. Fill out the form with the necessary branding information. Upload your logo and any additional branding elements you wish to include. Confirm all the details and click Save. Your Google Workspace is now authorized for branding in Gmail. Check your emails to ensure branding appears correctly. Monitor feedback from your recipients to improve future branding efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step